Hi Faves, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon and good night. Look who I'm starting the vlog with this morning. My big boy. Say morning. Say morning.
Morning. Today I'm going again to school.
Stop speaking like that.
Like that I can do something that I love.
Which is what?
And I'm going to learn with only 2 wheels.
You're gonna learn with 2 wheels?
No, something with.
Oh, you're gonna learn to ride bike?
No, it's not like
What?
bicycle.
Bicycle. Anyway, you guys.
And I love to do bicycle.
I know.
Mama?
Yes, Tyler.
I think the one red and Kalila and Lily will come back at school.
Maybe. You guys, he's ready and ready to go off to school. Sarah is still sleeping, so I'm trying to finish up the routine without her waking up so that when I'm ready to go I can just pick her up. So right now I'm going to go and make green juice before Sarah wake up and pack Tyler snack and stuff because he's going to gather today after here today, and yeah, carry on with her day. You okay?
Yeah.
Ready to go to school?
Yes, but I want to help you to do all these things.
Alright, you can help me. Let's go. Alright.
What should I do first?
We just need a comfort this morning because the snacks, we have some snack already, so we just need a comfort. So put your name on it, put it in the bag, like that.
Yeah.
Okay, let's get green juice stuff.
One is charging and the green
Green is when it finished charging.
Okay.
Celery. What else you want to make green juice? Apple.
Yes. Red apple.
No, green apple.
Apple. Mama.
Ginger.
Sunday. When we wanted to picnic Sunday, we absolutely forget to bring apple.
No, we did bring the apple. It's that you forget to eat the apple.
Oh.
But it's still here, so when you come home from school, you can always eat it.
I want the red apple to eat when I come back.
Sure.
Back to that.
Look who is awake. Look who is awake.
Who is that kaka-raka-kaka girl? Who is that kaka-raka-kaka girl? Who is that kaka-raka-kaka?
Oh, that's brother. Bisou. Good morning, brother.
Again, another kiss. A
Yeah.
hug now.
Oh.
Can almost stand on her own.
No, she can't stand on her own just yet. Good morning. Say morning to the face.
So when
Good morning, face. I am awake. I am awake. You're awake. You're awakey wakey. Eggs and bakey. My boo boo is awake, you guys. So it's time for me to drink green juice, change this diaper, and head out.
Oh, wow, Mama.
Tell you want green juice?
I think.
Come, have some. Yes, come have some. Keep you healthy and strong.
Green juice. Stop.
There you go. And some for Sarah.
No.
Yes.
No.
Sarah love green juice.
No, she don't.
Yes, she does.
Look at Sarah. See? I told you she don't like it. A straw, please.
In the drawer.
Okay.
This girl and I green juice. More? More? Can I pick up one of the straw, please?
Is it red or pink?
Anyone.
Is red or
It's
pink?
pink.
But like with the color red.
Alright. Everybody have their green juice. Time to get dressed. And go. Tell Faves later.
Because we're too.
You're funny. Come drop my boy at school and we're back. And I don't plan to fail at working out this morning, so I'm preparing myself. So when this little sweet one goes down for a nap, I'll be right there. To capitalize on that 30 minutes or 20 minutes or 15 minutes that she'll be giving me. I'ma take it all. So I'm making some orange juice for her right now. And then she's probably gonna go down for a nap in about an hour. Yeah. Because it's 9. She normally nap 10:30. So fingers crossed that I get a good killer in this morning. Orange juice. That's her happy hand. Whenever she gets food and she happy, she does that. More? More? More. Here ready and waiting for Missy to take her morning nap so I can go and work out. She fell asleep at 10:15, just around her nap time. By 10:20 I said, all right, I think I can put her down now. As I put her down and walking away, my girl go, wake up. If Sarah is not in my hand these days, she don't want to take her little naps. So you're just not gonna go sleep? You're just not gonna go sleep? Huh? You're just not gonna go sleep? Right? You're just not gonna go sleep? That's what you decide to do? Right now it's after 11. It's 2 minutes after 11 and she's still here looking at me and playing. And it's her lunchtime in about 45 minutes. You're just not gonna go sleep? Okay. Why? So since this is what she's doing, what I'm gonna have to do in the mornings when I get back from dropping Tyler, I'm just gonna have to put her in her swing chair, give her her bob the train on the computer, put her beside me around the back while I work out, because I need to get my workout in for my sanity, y'all. And if I'm to wait on her to nap, mean I'm gonna miss breakfast and I'm gonna miss lunch, and I won't get nothing productive done around here because I'm just gonna sit around and wait for her to fall asleep. And mean I already missed breakfast, mean she's not going to fall asleep until my lunchtime, which means if I'm to be working out during my lunchtime, mean I'm gonna miss my lunch hour, and I can't miss my lunch. Girl, you're just not gonna go sleep? Huh? Why? Why? Yes. Stop saying no. You're just not gonna go sleep? Huh? You're just not gonna go sleep? Why? Why are you just not gonna go sleep? Why are you not gonna go sleep? Sarah? Yes, go to sleep. Yes, go to sleep. Yes. Yes. Stop saying no. Say yes, mama. Yes, mama. Yes, go to sleep. I'm not dancing with you. I'm not jumping and dancing with you. You're not going to sleep?
Okay.
Yeah. You're not going to sleep? Sarah, you're not going to sleep? You're not going to sleep? Why are you blushing? You're not going to sleep? Go to sleep. Where am I? At 12:30 in the kitchen making lunch. My baby girl still not sleeping and she had her lunch, and now I'm making my lunch. So still no workout, but I'm still ready. And like I imagine, she's gonna fall asleep just after I eat, and then I won't be able to work out. But at least I'll get to clean and see if I can still get the workout in at some point later, because I'm in my clothes, girl. That's lunch. Steamed cabbage and carrot, a little piece of chicken, and some plantains. My girl just fell asleep. Just fell asleep. So I'm gonna take this time to clean this house and see where my mind takes me from there. So I won't go to work out just yet. Let me show you dinner real quick. I have steamed chicken going here. So this is just chicken with some assorted seasoning, a little sugar and a little ketchup, and that's on very low heat. That's steaming. I have some vegetable boiling here, which I'm going to turn off in a minute, and then I'm going to add this corn to it, and then I have some rice going in the rice cooker for my baby boy, for Tyler. And that's dinner real quick. Well, that only lasted an hour. That only lasted an hour. Dry eye. Dry eye. That only lasted an hour. She only gave me an hour nap. All I got to do was change the sheets, change the bedding in our bedroom, cook. That's it. I got nothing else done. But that's okay. We work together, right? Right? at this girl. Verna came to rescue me today. Verna came to rescue me. And I got my run in. Verna kept Sarah, got my run in until Sarah had enough of Verna. She wanted her chair. Went in her chair, start my abs, and then it was food time. She fell asleep. I tried to put her in Verna's hand and that didn't work. Same thing she did to me this morning. She wake up and ready to play. So at least, thanks to Verna, I got my run done. I got my run done. Done. What you doing?
Cleaning my hands. That's not what I'm supposed to do when I come from outside.
Sure, especially when you come from work. You guys, everybody is home as you can see. Where are we? It's crazy why we are both in the same color and the kids are both in the same color.
No, it wasn't.
How does that even happen? This was completely unplanned. Unplanned.
You okay? Have a good day.
Look at you. Look at them. Look at them. Look at these two.
Hello.
Baby, you saw the video I sent to your phone just now?
Yeah.
I finally catch it on my phone.
Ali. Good job, strong girl. Strong girl.
It's our favorite thing to do right here these days, to stand on that thing.
And she's walking on myself.
And she walked from this end to that end, you know that, right? She hold and walk from this end to this end.
Okay. You're good girl, you're strong girl. Look at her showing you hold one hand now.
See how she show off?
On your hand.
Only hold one
Look at that,
hand
look at that,
and
look at that.
standing. Look at
Look
her.
at that.
She's so strong. Then came home and had dinner, and now I'm going to start the kids' bedtime routine and put everybody to bed so I can have my man all by myself. You talking to this all day, baby?
I was about to talk now, so yeah.
Mama, we
Mama,
forgot
mama,
something.
mama.
Mama, we forget.
Did you vacuum my
What
room
we
today?
No.
Why did I vacuum?
Vacuum where?
Everywhere.
What is how we forget, Tyler?
We forget.
Speak now.
Jamaican expression.
Okay, so let's give Fizz the Jamaican expression. The Jamaican expression for today is alligator lay egg, but him no fool.
I know what that means. That means we run and we kick and we are not in front anymore.
Okay.
And then we get some
I
egg.
think for this one I can do better than him.
What do you think it means? Alligator lay egg, but him no fool.
I think that the alligator eats egg, man eat egg, but you can't trick him.
Okay.
Who is right?
Alligator came from an egg.
Who is right?
Yeah.
Who is right?
You ready for the meaning?
Yes.
It's the first I hear this one, but the meaning is not the first I hear it. It means things are not always what they seem to be.
I was closer.
Yeah, you were. Closer than Tyler.
That wasn't hard. That wasn't hard.
Alligator lay egg, but
I
in
beat
no
you this
food.
time.
Alright, what's the French expression?
What's the French
What is the French expression is called lema lema.
That's not a French expression.
Yeah.
Okay, lema.
What it means?
What it means?
When Mama starts.
Lema means your Liam.
No, Papa.
Yes.
Guess what it means?
What
Yes,
it means? I don't know what it means.
Him say guess.
Guess, I mean, is when a mama love his Tyler, but his Tyler is not nice. They say, Tyler, you're lema lema.
No. So Mama is close.
Oh,
Good job.
no.
Mama is close.
No.
That's
A protest.
no, that means I don't like you and I'm going to eat lemon all by myself.
But that's not what mama said.
I know, but Mama is a little bit close.
Oh, it's a little bit close. Okay.
Mama is the closest, right?
Okay.
Alright, what's the French expression for today?
What's the French expression come from today?
Good job, Tyler. You're too funny.
Alright. Remettre les pendules à l'heure.
La pendule à l'heure.
I know.
Remettre.
We put back the line at the time.
Yeah, let's translate it first. Remettre is like to put back or to restart, to put back les pendules. Pendule is like the clock on time.
That's what he said.
But what
At
it
the
means,
time.
what that means, that's the translation, but we have a
It
meaning.
means to go back in time. To go back in time.
Tyler,
Tyler, come.
to go back in time, that's your word. Tyler, sit down here.
Yeah.
Sit down here. What it means, remettre les pendules à l'heure.
C'est quoi le pendule?
Une pendule, c'est a clock.
Ah,
To put back a clock on time.
ok, alors, that means that
Hurry.
that means put back the city in the time that it is.
Alright, Tyler, you're eliminated. I'll give you a yellow card. You almost get a red card.
Leave him alone and tell me what it means.
You closest, but you're very far too. Remettre les pendules à l'heure, like to put back the clock on time. It simply means like to put back things
In order.
but in order, like, for example, you the way it's supposed to be.
Anyway, you guys, there you have the French and the Jamaican expression for today. You get it? Make sure we did it. Anyway, you guys, I'm gonna put my babies to bed. Give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if you are new. What did you say? Catch a pan?
People,
Keep up and subscribe every day.
And we'll
Bye-bye.
see you guys tomorrow.
Not tomorrow, every day.
Anyway, Sarah, say bye-bye. Sarah? Sarah just stand up and watch TV. Sarah not feeling no mind. Say night.